Where'd you find this?
Hey everybody, it's Mario from Astro Patrol 1, and we're looking at a mosaic from the Curiosity rover from Sol 1087. It's when the rover was on the lower slope of Mount Sharp. Now, this mosaic from the Mastcam has been white balanced by NASA, and it's to resemble daytime light conditions on Earth, so I'm not going to touch it any more than they have. So, this is where it came from. I'll put the link in the description below so you guys can go check it out yourself, and you're going to wanna, because this is huge and I'm only going to touch on a very small part of it. So right off the bat, going straight to the corner, we got manufactured items. 1, 2, 3. And we'll take this one first. As you can see, this is really weird. It looks like they may have blurred in here a little bit to try and cover up whatever's behind this piece. I know it kind of looks like a little statue head if you look at it real fast. You know, 2 eyes, nose, and a mouth. Maybe even a little funny hat. I don't think it is. I think it's just a little bit of pareidolia going on. So it still may be a manufactured piece, but I don't think it's a statue head. But right next to it, this is pretty odd, because if this is a rock, then why is there a circle cut out and then this star-looking thing going around it? So that's a little odd. But even more so, check this out. This is absolutely a manufactured product, and you can see it's the way it's rounded, it's smooth. It's beveled in here. Now there's 3 little circles. I don't think they're actually part of this, though. I think it's just an optical illusion. It may just, I think these may actually be sitting in the background. But still, this looks like it could be part of, I don't know, who knows, maybe an engine or something. Or even, possibly kind of looks almost like a gas tank. I don't know, that's kind of odd. And then there's this circular piece, which is obviously too small and blurry, so I really can't make it out. I don't know what that could possibly be. And you know what? There are smooth rocks in the area that are like this, and I'll show you real quick. See up here? See how these are smooth and that they have, like that grayish, almost metallic look to them? But you can see these aren't manufactured. They're rocks, and they absolutely look like rocks or boulders. But when you go back in on this, it has a similar smoothness and color, but it looks like it was manufactured. I mean, there's a slit right in there. There's a hole in there. This side is equal to this side, with the middle being different. There's possibly something here that kind of looks like a possible design. I have no idea. And then the third one up here, you can see how this piece is beveled, and there's a square on top with a hole in the center. It's nice and rounded. So absolutely has that machinery type look. There's this piece, which is kind of odd. It's kind of, again, smooth and rounded, and then, something sticking up out of it. I can't even begin to tell you what I think it is, because I have no idea. It looks like something that is not natural. So this is actually a huge mosaic, and there's a lot of stuff to check out. Like I said, I'm only going to touch on the larger pieces. You guys can go back and download it yourself and take a quick look and see what you can find. The last thing I want to show you, though, is this, which kind of looks like a seat or a saddle. This piece right here looks like it's teed off, and there's a latch right there with a bell or a ball kind of attached to it. And then right next to it, this looks like a serpent design with a fin tail on it. So I don't know if that's what it is, but that's what it looks like to me. It has a seat look like I said, like a saddle. That maybe the leather is, obviously weathered and worn off of it. This piece below has like a fork type bracket look to it. So who knows? Who knows? But it definitely interesting. I mean, let's get in tight on this. I know it's blurry, but see, I mean, this doesn't happen in nature. You don't get these designs, and you don't get a piece of metal with a latch and something attached to it in nature. It doesn't happen. So there you go. This is also pretty interesting. Maybe take a look at it. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's it. I wanted to keep it short and sweet. Like I said, it's a giant mosaic. If you guys want to check it out yourself, um, you know, take a look at the link below and download it and let me know what you think. There is a lot of little cool things in here, but I just wanted to touch on the big stuff today. Anyway, just want to say hi to all the new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're new, please hit subscribe. And that's it. I'll see you next time. Thanks.